This channel has gained more than 400,000 subscribers, with only 26 videos, which seems impossible. But this has been possible due to the niche this creator is working on. This niche is named Would You Rather. These videos basically put the viewer in state of thoughts, where they have to think, which option should I pick? And this results in a boost in audience retention, which is exactly what we need to viral a video. And this is the only reason that this channel is performing crazy. Check out one of their video.
A random homeless person get $10,000, or you receive $1,000.
By the end of this video, I have an extreme giveaway announcement, so make sure you don't miss it. You see, these types of videos are highly engaging to watch, but they are very difficult to make. It takes a lot of time, efforts, and money to make these videos. You basically have to buy Canva Pro for backgrounds, Mid-Journey or Stable Diffusion for images, then 11 Labs for voiceover. And besides all these, you have to invest a lot of efforts in making these videos, and all of these basically cost you a lot more than you can earn. And still, chances are that in your first try, you will end up making a boring video that no one is willing to watch. But with the help of AI, this can be done in a matter of clicks. A few days ago, I found an AI tool that literally blew my mind. It can make videos in seconds that are even difficult for even professionals to make. The name of this tool is VSub. I am literally so impressed by this tool that I wanted to reveal it to you so that you can make the content that people would love to watch. You simply have to log in with your Gmail account, and you will land on this interface. Guys, the interface is very simple and easy. There are many options and you can make videos on every possible niche, but our today's topic is Would You Rather? Simply click on it, and now you can select language from here. You can make videos in any language you want to. Then there are two modes here, one for YouTube Shorts and one for long videos. Long video mode is coming soon, and you can easily make videos and earn big money. And for you, I have confirmed from the founder of VSub that will YouTube monetize these videos. So the answer was absolutely yes. Even many of the VSub users are earning good money from YouTube. So now guys, we will select Shorts mode, then simply go to Settings. And from here you can select AI voiceover. If you are on free plan, you can use OpenAI Voices for free. That's it. Just come back to questions and simply click on Generate Questions, and it will automatically generate the content for you. Now you can either go with these questions or simply use ChatGPT to generate your own exciting content. I will simply go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt, and ChatGPT will provide me with all the questions. Now, if you don't like the questions, simply click here to regenerate. Now you simply need to replace these questions one by one with the ones in VSub, and that's it. Your genuine content will be ready. See how easy and fast it was with the help of AI? Now simply click on Continue, and it will automatically start making your content. And in few seconds, your video will be ready. Now, as you see, you can even completely edit your final video from here. You can adjust the voiceover volume and speed. You can also change the background colors. You can change the timer color as well, and many other options. You can check them all out and make a killer video. Then simply click on Music, and from here you can add a copyright-free premium background music as well. And from here, reduce the volume and keep it between 15 to 20. And that's it. Simply click on Download and your video will be downloaded. Let's see the final results.
Ability to fly or be invisible. Travel to the past or travel to the future. Be super strong or be super fast. Able to talk to animals or speak all human languages. Lose all your memories or lose all your future.
Guys, isn't it mind-blowing? With videos this good, you can 100% expect good results. So now let's talk about the grand giveaway. Guys, once we hit 5,000 subscribers, I will pick up one of my subscribers, and for completely free, I will work on their YouTube Shorts channel for 30 days. And to tell you that I will upload premium videos from VSub on their channel, and I won't charge even a single penny from you. So guys, hurry up and subscribe to our channel and share the video as much as you can. Have a good day.